People tell me that there's a ton of biodiversity in the New Zealand coastline, and I know it's true, but when I look out at the water, I can't really see much aside from the occasional seal that pops to the surface. However, there's a specific group of researchers in Otago who can tell you a whole lot about all of the animals in this area, and they don't even have to go find them.
To really understand wild animals, you need to look at their genetic code.
This brings up the problem. How do you actually get the DNA from the sea animal? My name is Gavin Bishop. I'm a medical student who's absolutely fascinated with the creativity of scientists. They tried everything from huge nets to electrically shocking the water to try and paralyze the fish, to even like a specialized crossbow that was designed to just glance off and secure a chunk of seal skin. Potentially badass, but not ideal. Researchers had to find a new way to collect samples, and Otago is the first New Zealand university to begin working with and developing this technique. I want you to meet Clare Adams, an Otago PhD student whose thesis is pioneering research in the field of environmental genetics.
So my research is about environmental DNA. This is the concept that living things are constantly shedding DNA.
Clare is able to take a bucket of seawater, then analyze the genetic information of all of the animals that have recently passed through that area.
And therefore we can see how they might cope with ocean acidification, climate change, or overfishing.
These are massive challenges to face, and to make the right decisions, conservationists and policymakers need a good understanding of our marine wildlife. Clare and other researchers will be able to provide a critical piece of the puzzle by applying eDNA-based technologies, and she doesn't need to go catch or shoot the animals, she just needs a bucket of water.